Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your Microsoft Surface 8th generation laptop to a TV. So first of all, we're gonna have to take a look on the left edge of the laptop, and here we'll have two USB-C Thunderbolt ports which both connect video transmission and which we can use to connect this device to a TV. Obviously we're gonna need an HDMI cable connected both to our laptop and to the TV, and to use it we're gonna need to use either a hub like this that both has a USB-C cable and an HDMI port on the other side, or you can also use just an adapter which is basically just like this hub but only has this HDMI port without other ports on it. So insert your hub into one of the available ports, make sure that it sits firmly, then insert your HDMI cable into the hub. The other side of the HDMI cable goes into your TV, and after that make sure that your TV is being powered. On your remote control, press Sources button while, of course, aligning it with your TV, and select your HDMI input, the one that you connected your laptop to. And after that, you're gonna have to select the projection type. So you have to press Windows+P, combination of keys, and select one of the available projection types here. So we have the duplicate, which will copy the screen of your laptop and duplicate it on your TV. The extend, which will make your TV your second monitor. Second screen only, which will move the main screen from your laptop to your TV. Then in settings, if we go to start menu and settings, then open system on the sidebar and go to display right here. We'll be able to adjust the rest of the display settings. At the very top, you'll be able to realign or rearrange your monitors according to their alignment in real life, and you'll also be able to adjust the settings of display. And that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.